Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Legend of Wrestling. Accompanied by his manager, Mr. Fuji, from parts unknown, weighing 322 pounds, I give you Demolition Crash. Demolition Crash debuted in the WWE when it was called WWF in the summer of 1990 as a member of the stable called Demolition, the Tag Team Champions. Vince McMahon chose Crash because X has some health problem and needs to add a third member of Demolition because they were the Tag Team Champions. In 1991, Demolition Crash has some single matches, including a match with Mr. Fuji on his corner on Wrestling Challenge. In 1991, Demolition Crash collided against Shawn Michaels with More January on his corner, and Demolition Crash lost his match after Demolition Crash left the WWF. This is Demolition Crash, my friends, one of the greatest big guy of all time. In my opinion, he deserved the Hall of Fame. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, leave a comment and subscribe for more WWF Hasbro Legend of Wrestling videos. So long, everybody!